It all depends on the luck of the draw. And the Queen of Hearts is not the card that I saw. I sit with my knaves, my jacks of all trades. I sit with my nines, oh, and the seven of spades. The cards spill out so endlessly. You play the game, but could it be? It isn't chance, it's destiny. It all depends on the luck of the draw. My ace of diamonds can only guffaw. Should I hope for a 10, or should I just fold? My glib poker face, oh, it's not one I can hold. The cards spill out and some are marked. You still search for the Queen of Hearts. You cannot see, the room is dark. It all depends on the luck of the draw. And the Queen of Hearts holds my jack in her claws. She thinks it's a game, and I was playing for real. And to add to the shame, oh, I await the next deal. I don't like suspense, but it all depends on the luck of the draw.